Let's talk money. Is a good exercise program just too expensive right now with everything else going on?
That's a valid question. And maybe you're also thinking about the other costs of exercise, like the time it takes, the energy it requires, or even the small risk of injury. Now, these are all valid concerns, and today we're going to address them.
Hey, it's Mitch and Gaz from Be Mobile Physio, the at-home exercise experts for adults 55 plus. Now, let's address some of those concerns. So firstly, yes, exercise does take time, but we spend a lot more time on passive activities like sitting down and watching TV. And yeah, it does take some energy to get going, at least initially. However, once you have a consistent exercise habit, it actually boosts your energy longer term.
And injury risk? Well, with well-designed programs, especially those guided by health professionals, the injury risk is incredibly low, and it's much lower than the risk of being inactive. As for the financial cost, yes, quality guidance has a price, but there are also options that allow you to exercise for free, like walking or using one of the free resources on our platform.
So while those perceived costs of exercising are manageable, we want you to consider the real cost that we should be discussing, the cost of not exercising.
So what are the actual consequences of being sedentary, especially as we get older? Well, the science is clear. The costs include decreased life expectancy, reduced muscle mass and bone density, leading to weakness and fragility, increased risk of serious diseases like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and some cancers, less energy for daily tasks, increased risk of falls and potentially life-altering fractures, higher rates of anxiety and depression, and a significant reduction in independence as you age. These impacts on your health and quality of life are profound. But down the track, there can be a direct financial cost of inactivity as well.
Consider the potential future healthcare costs. For example, here in Australia, a heart bypass graft can cost up to $50,000. Then there's a knee replacement, that can be $20,000. And even private health insurance for someone over 60 can be up to $4,000 per year.
Now, exercise isn't a magic bullet, but it is scientifically proven to be one of the best ways that you can reduce your risk of all of these conditions. Starting now could literally save you thousands in the long run.
So we've talked a lot about the costs. Let's flip to the benefits. Investing in the right exercise program isn't just about avoiding the negative outcomes in the future. It's about gaining the positive ones now.
It means increased energy for the things and people you love, more strength to play with the grandkids and to do your hobbies, improved mood, better sleep, and the confidence that comes from being capable in your own body. And that's a payoff you can feel every single day.
But to achieve these benefits safely and effectively, how you exercise does matter. There are lots of cheap and free programs out there, which is great for getting people moving.
However, and this is crucial, especially if you're over 55, managing pain or dealing with a condition like osteoporosis, a generic or poorly designed program might not get you the results you're seeking. It could waste your time or even lead to an injury.
A truly effective program for over 55s needs certain features. It should be expert designed, preferably by health professionals like physiotherapists who understand the needs of older adults and chronic health conditions. Safe and modifiable, so it can be adjusted for your aches, pains, or particular fitness level. Supportive, so you can get guidance when you face questions or challenges. Progressive, so you can start at a manageable level and gradually build up so you can improve over time. And habit focused, so you can aim for long-term consistency, not just a quick fix.
For example, our online programs have all of these elements, ensuring that you invest your time and efforts wisely. We have 2 physios on the screen showing you easier and harder versions of each exercise. We'll gradually build you up over time so that your body has a chance to adapt, and we'll give you all of the support that you need to keep on track with regular check-in emails.
So when you look at the whole picture, the manageable costs of exercise, the profound risk of inactivity, and the immense benefits for your daily life, investing in a quality guided program makes sense.
It's about having expert support and a clear plan designed for your long-term success and safety. Click the link below to start building a stronger, healthier version of you today.